Guys, in this video, we will be learning how a string can be reversed in Java. I'm using editor Visual Studio Code GTK version 21 installed on the machine. So we'll be using for loop and while loop, and we'll be using some string functions to reverse the string. So let's get started. I have already created one program reverse a string. A main method is already written here, right? So let's take a string. We can say input. What we have to do, we have to take character array. We have to use two character array which will return us all the characters from this string, and we have to apply for loop e dot length. Okay, and we have to print system dot out dot print our c array I. Okay, that's it. You run the program, so you will get the reverse string. See, this is the input and we have reverse it. We have another method from string so that we can reverse a string in different way. Okay, what is it? We'll be using character add, char add method from a string. Okay, so let's take a different input at a string and we have to apply for loop again. So this is the same for loop we have to take. Okay, and we have to say integer I input dot one dot length, and we can use a method, right? And we are saying minus one I should always be greater than 0, equals to greater than 0 I minus minus, and we have to take another reverse string as a blank because we are now appending the characters one by one into this. Say reversed string equals to reverse string 1 dot char add, and we have to mention I. So one by one character will be added here. Okay, and they will be reversed. Instead of this line, we have to print, or we can say string, and we have to say this is our reversed str. Okay, so let's in the program. So you can see the RAS value is reversed. So to make it in a different line, you have to use slash n. Let's run program again, get the output in different line, right? So let's try to produce the same output using while loop. Okay, we'll be using same function of a string character add. I'm going to split my editor. You will see. Okay, so we have to use while loop now. So we are going to take new string and we are saying a length we are going to take. This would be a length of our string, right? So we are going to use length function to get length of these characters. Okay, and we are now applying while loop. Condition is if length always greater than 0. Okay, then we are saying simple string dot out dot print line. Okay, so what we are going to say here, put 2 dot char add, and we are saying length minus 1. We have to decrease our length variable. Okay, minus minus. So from right to left, we have to move it. Okay, so you have to run the program. So you can see this word is now reversed. See, so this is how we can apply while loop in order to reverse a string. We have one more way to reverse a string. So we have another way to reverse a string with help of string builder class. Let's use it. String. So you can take string builder as a input tree. You can take any variable name which you want to take. We have to use append function input 3 dot append function we have to use, and we have to say input 2. We have to, because we are going to reverse this Anthony Ward, right? This name we are going to reverse, and then we are going to use one reverse function from string builder object, that is 3 dot reverse, a very simple method, and we are going to print the output now. Okay, so you can use system input 3 is our string builder variable. Okay, now let's in the program reverse twice. If you want to show this in different lines, so you can just see like this. Run, and then you will see the output of this program. Okay, we have seen so many ways to reverse a string here. That is first program. The output of first program was this. Second program was this. This was the output of second program, and that was our third program. The output was this. The output of fourth program is this. That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.